Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how to deposit money on Barstool Sportsbook. So here I have logged on to Barstool Sportsbook, and at the top right you see your account balance, which at this point I have a $0 balance. So I'm going to click up there, and at the top you see your username, your name, your email address, and just under that you see wallet balance. Here you have the option to deposit/withdraw. So I'm going to click on deposit. Here are all the payment methods that you have to deposit money into your account. So you can select online banking. Barstool will connect to your online banking account. Barstool Sports Play Plus, debit card/credit card, PayPal, ACH/eCheck, Skrill. You could also do a wire transfer, cash at a casino, or even Apple Pay. So I'm going to go back up and I'm going to connect Barstool to my online banking. I'm going to click there. Right here, you're going to select the amount that you want to deposit. So the minimum you can deposit is $10. I'm just going to deposit $15 here. And once I scroll down, pay with online banking, you're going to tap to select your bank. However, if your bank is not listed there, you could search for your bank. So I'm going to search for my bank by clicking the search bar here, and I'm going to type in the name of my bank. After that, it's just going to tell us about signing on to online banking, how it is safe and secure. I'm going to click on OK, got it. Now I'm going to type in the username and password for my online banking. It's going to ask me if it is a personal account or a business account. I'm going to select personal account, and there you should see a list of your accounts that you have through your bank, and select the account that you want it to withdraw from. And at the very bottom, click on continue. And just like that, we have deposited money into our Barstool Sportsbook account, and we're free to do whatever we want with this. So if this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. If this is your first time using Barstool Sportsbook, feel free to check out my referral link in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.